Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Edikang Ikong soup that's as delicious as mine. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please like and subscribe.
First, I'll be chopping my water leaves. For your Edikang Ikong soup, you need your vegetables to be finely chopped. After the first pass, I'll recombine them and further mince into fine, tiny pieces.
After chopping your water leaf, if you feel like it's slimy, just put some water this way and then rinse it. I'm also doing this because I won't be cooking it for long on fire.
And the slimy liquid can give the soup a tart or slightly acidic taste, which is a no-no for me.
So just rinse this.
To ensure I get all the water leaves, I'll strain and squeeze out the liquid. Next, I'll be chopping my Ikong-Ibong, also known as pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf. I'll be using the same method I used for my water leaf. That's after the first pass, I would further recombine and mince it into tiny pieces.
After slicing it, I will set it aside and go ahead to put my pot of soup on fire. I'll start by steaming my beef, and to do this, I will be seasoning my beef with some salt, some chilli, pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, suya spice, and thyme, bouillon cubes, and some scotch bonnet pepper.
And then cover my pot and leave it to simmer for 5 minutes.
It's 5 minutes. We'll be going in with some water and we'll cover the pot. Leave the meat to cook until it's soft. Our beef is well cooked. Next, I'll be going in with some cow skin
And my dry fish.
I'll give this a good stir and then leave it to cook for at least 10 minutes. It's 5 minutes. This is the point where we'll be adding our palm oil to this soup. Before you do that, you could check to see if all the ingredients are to your taste. So after adding my red oil, I had to put some crayfish. Once that is done, I'll just cover and leave it to simmer for 2 minutes. I'll be adding more scotch bonnet pepper and some bouillon cubes and further stir to mix. Next thing is to go in with my water leaf. I'll give this a good stir to mix. I'll cover this and leave it to simmer for 2 minutes. At this point, our soup is almost ready. We'll give this a good mix again. Add the remaining crayfish and then go in with our vegetable, which is the Ikong-Ibong.
I'll give it a good stir to ensure everything combines.
I had to add it in batches so I can mix it thoroughly.
At this point, you can leave your soup on a low heat for a minute or just stop cooking. For me, I'll stop cooking at this point because I don't want my vegetables overcooked. Our soup is ready. It's looking all nice. I actually can't wait to have this. I'll be having it with oatmeal swallow. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be having this with.
This is Edikang Ikong and oatmeal swallow. Tastes amazing.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for notifications on our future videos. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.